Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create flower design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Create a common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Select the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Select the Add Anchor Point tool and add 4 anchor points in an ellipse. And go to Effect menu, select Distort and Transform, and click Pucker and Load. And change its percent to 30. And change its size to small, and keep it in center. And go to Effect menu, select Distort and Transform, and click Transform. Change its horizontal and vertical values to 120%, and angle to 20 degree, and copies to 16. Change its stroke to 0.5 points. And change its width and height to 15 pixels. And change its color to gray. Select the Arc tool from the toolbar and draw an arc. And change its stroke to 4 points. Move it. Select Arrange and click Send to Back. And there we go, that wraps up the video, so hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.